Most workshop guys think about grinders. They picture the handheld angle grinder. This multifunctional power tool can be used for many tasks, including cutting iron tubing to repair a damaged valve, carving wood to make furniture, tile cutting for a backsplash, and cleaning grout between tiles. There are many products available to choose cordless angle grinder, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cordless angle grinder from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products are very helpful people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. KIMO 20-volt cordless angle grinder. KIMO cordless angle grinder has prepared this irreplaceably convenient cordless one with battery power for your quick job without getting extension cords out. KIMO angle grinder provides 9,000 RPM motor higher power for grinding metal and cutting tile, rebar, and concrete. Rubberized and ergonomic 2-position grip handle increases comfort on the job for any workshop, service garage, auto repair, or home hobbyist. This angle grinder has a lot of standout features, but chief among them is the brushless motor. Thanks to the all-copper and premium magnet, the operation becomes more stable and smoother. Many professionals and DIYers are heading to brushless motors to enjoy the 53.5% longer runtime and much more efficient experience. It has made great progress in the 1000 charging cycle test that guarantees each battery is more powerful and lives longer than others. No worries about dying cells anymore. Enjoy and accomplish more than you ever expected. It is hard to determine market gimmick from the actual performance features that matter, but KIMO hopes to help with that. Number 2. WorkPro 20-volt cordless angle grinder. WorkPro cordless angle grinder suitable for indoor and outdoor use. It is equipped with a 20-volt 4-ampere large-capacity rechargeable lithium-ion battery and a quick charger. It can keep the cordless angle grinder working stably for a long time. WorkPro spends countless tests, studies, and strict production to ensure that each motor and battery can provide strong and stable power. The wireless angle grinder has a real effective speed of 7,500 RPM. With an excellent cooling system, it can help the user to finish the work more stably and quickly. Lightweight design, and designers spent much time designing internal structure and selecting materials. While ensuring the sturdiness and durability of the product, the body weight of the angle grinder is only 3.5 pounds without the battery. The switch is set in the middle of the top, so that the user can turn the machine on and off quickly and easily, no matter whether they are left or right. Rubberized 3-position anti-slip auxiliary handle increases comfort on the job. The body part of the angle grinder is also covered by comfortable rubber material with anti-slip grain, bringing you a better use experience. Quick change system, button for grinding wheel and cutting wheel. WorkPro cordless angle grinder is a complete set of high-quality tools that can help many users save a lot of troubles. Number 3. The Winner 20-volt cordless angle grinder. The Winner cordless angle grinder is a portable with no restrictive power cords, suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Comes with a 20-volt max 3-ampere battery which is compatible with all other tools in the Winner 20-volt max lithium-ion series. Auxiliary handle reduces vibration and offers greater balance, control, and comfort. Easy to remove and attach to either side. The handle also features storage for the included wrench to help with changing wheels. The Winner wheel diameter is 115 mm, compatible with most 115 mm replacement discs. Cast aluminum gear head designed to be strong, lightweight, and durable. The grinder also comes with a free 2-year extended warranty. Number 4. Worx 20-volt cordless angle grinder. When you need a tough angle grinder that's streamlined with modern features, easy to use, and can get into tight spaces, grab the Worx cordless angle grinder. 8,500 RPM means you'll have the force to take on heavy jobs like grinding metal, cutting tile, paving, and routing out mortar. The sleek design gives you dexterity for detailed jobs like sanding and polishing. This grinder is cordless and only 4.5 pounds, so you can twist and turn into tighter spaces without worrying about tangling up a cord. The secure grip is designed to give you control, and the 2-position auxiliary handle lets you change your attack angle depending on the job. This grinder is driven by a brushless motor, which runs faster, longer, uses less power, and has a longer life than tools that utilize a motor designed around a brush. The anti-kickback technology shuts the grinder down when sensors detect a jam, so it's easier to operate. It's part of the PowerShare family of 20-volt and 40-volt power and garden tools, so you can grow your tool collection while saving money on batteries. This model is the bare tool only, with a 20-volt power share battery and charger sold separately. Number 5. WorkPro 20-volt Cordless Angle Grinder. WorkPro Cordless Angle Grinder features a powerful motor that delivers maximum power and up to 50% longer runtime. 2-speed selector button allows flexible adjustment of rotation speed 3000 to 8500 RPM and accurate control during operation. Integrated spindle lock of the grinder is designed for quicker and easier wheel changes. The thickened wheel guard will prevent sparks and metal chips during operation to protect you from injury. WorkPro Cordless Angle Grinder rubberized 2-position side handle that can change from left to right, providing increased user comfort and precise control in various applications. Cast metal grill type air outlets housing is designed to protect overheating. Battery is featured with charging and discharging protection, which makes charging extremely safe and enhanced durability. That's all from my end. I create helpful videos every day, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of question or problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is beautiful, so enjoy every bit of your life with our amazing products, as it is going to make your life so much easier. Thanks for watching my videos. Have a great day.